Okay, welcome to រៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសគ្រប់កម្រិត It means learn English for all levels. My Facebook page, and you can also learn from YouTube channel. Learn English for all levels. You just click and you just type it, and you have to click subscribe, and then you can see all my video clips that I post to explain and teach you about the English programs. Okay, right now you can start together to learn English with me. Okay, and today we just take a short time to learn about tenses. You know, in English there are 3 tenses. If we talk about the main point in English, the present tense, and we can say past tense, present tense, and future tense. And this is the main point, the main tenses in English. And if we separate from present tense, and we can say there are four types. If we include all tenses, there are 12 tenses. Because we separate from past tense, there are 4, and we can separate from present tense, there are 4, and we can separate from future tense. So it separate into 4. So for multi 3 is 12 tenses. Okay, let me learn about present tense. Present tense here is we learn about positive. Okay, positive. You know, present it means nouns, and tenses is we include our subject and verb and object, so we can say tenses. And present it means now. So we focus on something that is happening. General fact, or the true action, or we focus on our habit, so we use present tense. That it means that the action happens every day. Okay, positive form. You know, positive form, and form here we can form subject, verb 1, and object. Object here, if some transitive verb use subject, so we can use subject, and if some verb that do not need object, so we do not use object in the tense. Okay, examples. Okay, example: peace book center sells all kinds of book. So okay, look at me, and subject here is the peace book center. The peace book center is the subject, and verb 1 is sells. Actually, original verb is S-E-R, and S here because the subject is singular, because singular subject, third person singular subject, so we use add S, and this is a verb 1 sell. And object all kinds of book, we can say object. Okay, and the second sentence, he is a subject. Only is adverb, and verb is eats. Okay, eats here is a verb, and object is fish. Okay, fish. Okay, let's learn next. Okay, note. Okay, for singular third person. Okay, for singular third person, he, she, it. You have to remember, he, she, it is core third person singular. That's why we have to note third person singular, because when we make sentences, if subject third person singular, we have to add s or es after the words. But okay, we will learn next, but today just get a main point that we have to learn this sentence. Okay, the old man. Okay, the old man is a third person, and take is verb 1. Take here we have to add s. That's why we have to add s, because take here we can say take ending with E. So ending with E, we just add S is enough. So we can say the old man takes the dog for a walk. Okay, but some of verb we will learn next. Some of verb that ending with S, double S, or CH, something like that. So we can add ES, but because of this word, okay, because of this word ending with E or TAKE ending with E, so we just add S. That is enough. Okay, the second one, she comes late every day. So come here, ending with E, so just add S. That's enough. Okay, she comes late every day. And the next one, Mr. Ratana like singing a song. So like here, okay, like here, ending with E also. So just add S is enough. Okay, that's why we have to like singing, because actually like we can plus to infinitive, that's fine. And if we like plus gerund, that's fine. Okay, like singing a song. Mrs. Kanchana goes to school every day. So go, actually the verb one is go, but when verb ending with O, so we have to add ES. So go, add ES, we have to pronounce it goes to school every day. Okay, today we just learned for this one, and next day and next day we have to learn more about how to use present simple, and that's why we have to use ES, or sometimes we can add IES because the word ending with letter Y. Okay, thank you very much for your pay attention to you. Listen to my video clip to talk about present simple. Okay, just say thank you very much for your paying attention and for watching this video clip. See you later.